Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and on this video, I'm going to discuss the problem that I posted on my Facebook group for grade 7, quarter 1, week 3, which is about calculation tricks. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell button so that you will be updated whenever I'm going to upload a new one. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, so here's the instruction. Perform the indicated operation. Number 1, 7 plus 97 plus 997 plus 9,997 plus 99,997. Alright, so if you're going to get the sum of these 5 numbers, most of you will arrange it like this. See that? Then you're going to add. Okay, you'll get the sum. Fine. There's nothing wrong with that if you're going to do that. However, since this episode is about calculation tricks, so what I'm going to do is different. Alright, what do I mean? So instead of writing 7, I'm going to express it as 10 minus 3. Right? While 97, okay, so I'm going to write it as 100 minus 3. Doing the same, 997 is 1000 minus 3. This 9,997 is just 10,000 minus 3. And lastly, this 99,997 is just 100,000 minus 3. There you go. See that? Now, it's easy for us to add this 100,000, 10,000, 1,100, and 10. So the sum is 111,110, right? Okay, so what we're going to do next is subtract negative 3 5 times, or there are 5 negative 3's. That is, we're going to subtract 15. See that? There you go. So therefore, the difference of these two numbers is just 111,095. See that? Okay, so this is our answer for problem number 1. Okay, so let's have number 2. So in number 2, we're going to get the difference of 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 2021 and 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to 2020. Alright, so what we're going to do here is by careful observation, alright? So, okay, so let me rewrite this first set of numbers. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5, okay, plus and so on, plus 20, 21. Alright, minus, so since this number, these numbers is preceded by negative sign, so that will be negative, okay, 2 minus 4 minus 6, okay, minus and so on, minus 20, 20. See that? Okay, so the trick is this, alright. So I'm going to copy 1 here, alright? Then look at this. So, this 3 here, then you're going to subtract negative 2. This 5 here, subtract mo yung negative 4, and so on. So, my point here is, this one will become, okay, plus 3 minus 2, plus 5 minus 4, plus, and so on, up to this one, 2021 minus 2020. See that? Okay, so we know, of course, I have to copy this one. This 3 minus 2 is 1. This 5 minus 4 is 1. And so on. Okay? Plus, this 2021 minus 2020 is just 1. Now, the question is, how many 1s are here? Alright, so, numbers 2 to 2021 is just 2020. But it's since you subtract it by pair, so therefore yung 2020 divided by 2 is just 1,010. Okay, so mean to say there are 1,010 ones. So if we're going to add it by 1, okay, so therefore the final answer in this number 2 is just 1,011. See that? Pretty simple, right? Okay, so let's have the next one. Problem number 3. 1/3 minus 7 over 12 minus negative 9 over 20 plus negative 11 over 30 minus negative 13 over 42 minus 15 over 56. Of course, we're not going to get the LCD here. Alright, so by inspection, okay, so 1/3 is in simplest form, okay, while this 7 over 12, okay, so if you are aware, so it's just 1/3 plus 1/4, right? Again, 1/3 plus 1/4 is 7 over 12. See that? Minus this negative 9 over 20, like what I did here, okay, this negative 9 over 20 is just negative 1/4 minus 1 over 5. See that? Alright. Continuing it, this negative 11 over 30 is just negative 1/5, okay, minus 1 over 6. Right? While negative 13 over 32 is just negative 1 over 6 minus 1 over 7. See that? And lastly, this 15 over 56 is just 1 over 7 plus 1 over 8. See that? There you go. Alright, now the trick is this. Okay, so since these numbers, okay, 1/3 plus 1/4 is preceded by negative sign, so if I'm going to add it, maka-cancel lang to, right? Okay, so let me use white. Maka-cancel yung 1/3, right? Negative 1/4, this is negative 1/4, so that will be positive 1/4. So therefore, maka-cancel lang din, right? This one is negative, this one is positive 1/5, this is negative 1/5, maka-cancel lang din. See that? Okay. Similarly, negative 1/6, positive 1/6, cancel. Positive 1 over 7, negative 1 over 7, cancel. What will be left is negative 1 over 8. Therefore, the answer in this problem, number 3, is just negative 1 over 8. See that? Okay, pretty simple, right? Last problem, number 4. Okay. So for number 4, okay, so you're going to get the difference of the product of these two numbers and the product of these two numbers. Alright, like what we did in number 3, we're not going to get the LCD. Okay, so what are we going to do? Now, by observation, okay, let's take a look at it. So if you're going to notice, we have 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/5 here. Same thing with this one, okay, 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/5. Same with this, tsaka dito. Right? So what do I mean? So meaning to say, if I'm going to let, alright, if I'm going to let 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/5 as one quantity, let's say a variable x, so therefore I can rewrite this as 1/2 plus x. See that? Times, alright, again this one, alright, 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/5, so meaning to say it's just x plus 1 over 6. See that? Minus, alright, same procedure, this is x, alright, so that is 1/2 plus x plus 1 over 6 times, of course, that's x. See that? There you go. Okay. Now, what's next after this one? So since there's no since this is for grade 7, kaya lang wala pa silang background for FOIL method, so what we're going to do is the distributive property. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so if I'm going to multiply it, okay, 1/2 times x, that will be, okay, so this will be the product, that will be 1/2 x, dito na lang, alright, so that will be 1/2 x, okay, times this one, alright, so that will be 1 over 12, alright, plus 1 over 12, times this one, okay, so that one will become x squared, and lastly, 1 over 6 x, by multiplying this one. See that? Okay, then next, okay, multiply, okay, doing the same. Alright? Alright, so what I'm going to do is this. So minus 1 half x, okay, minus x squared. Then this one, minus 1 over 6 x. There you go. Alright, so if you're going to notice, okay, so let me erase it. Okay, para maayos. There you go. Alright, so if you're going to notice it, so cancel lang yon. So this is negative 1 half x, this is 1 half x, cancel. 1 6x, negative 1 6x, cancel. Negative x squared, positive x squared, cancel. So what will be left here is just 1 over 12. Therefore, the answer in this problem number 4 is just 1 over 12. See that? There you go. It's not difficult as it looks. Alright? So I hope you learned something on this very short video. So if you like my presentation, so please don't forget to click the thumbs up button. And then of course, feel free to share. And don't forget to subscribe. Keep safe, everyone.